Welcome to the video datasheet for the CCNP Security course, IPS. This course is one of 4 courses required to obtain the CCNP Security, and it focuses on implementing Cisco IPS sensors. It covers all the topics required by the 642-627 IPS exam, which you can schedule and take through Pearson Vue. Now, before you jump into this course, you want to make sure that you have the CCT or CCNA security certification or the equivalent knowledge. This course is designed for the network security engineer. It's a 5-day course with 6 modules where we'll cover all the aspects of Cisco IPS technology. In the first module, Introduction to Intrusion Prevention and Detection, Cisco IPS software and supporting devices, we'll evaluate intrusion prevention and intrusion detection systems and be able to choose IPS software, hardware, and their supporting applications. We'll talk about network IPS traffic analysis methods, countermeasures, and we'll be able to choose an IPS and IDS deployment architecture. You'll also learn how to install and maintain Cisco IPS sensors, integrate those sensors into a network, and perform the Cisco IPS sensor initial setup. In the second module, Applying Cisco IPS Security Policies, you'll learn to configure basic traffic analysis, to implement Cisco IPS signatures and responses, and to configure Cisco IPS signature engines and the signature databases. You'll also deploy anomaly-based operation. In the third module, Adapting Traffic Analysis and Response to the Environment, this is where we will learn to customize traffic analysis, to manage false positives and false negatives, and also to improve our alarm and response quality. And the fourth module, Managing and Analyzing Events, is where you're going to install and integrate Cisco IPS Manager Express, or IME, with your IPS sensors. And you'll be able to manage and investigate events using IME, and working with IME's reporting and notifications. You'll also learn how to implement Cisco Security Manager with IPS as well as CSMARS. We're also going to cover the IntelliShield database services. And in the fifth module, Deploying Virtualization, High Availability, and High Performance Solutions, you'll deploy IPS virtual sensors and Cisco IPS for high availability and high performance. And finally, in the sixth module, Configuring and Maintaining Specific Cisco IPS Hardware, you'll learn to configure and maintain the Cisco ASA, AIP SSM, and AIP SSC modules, to configure and maintain the ISR, IPS AIM, and NME modules, and to configure and maintain a Cisco IDSM2 module. There's multiple labs that correspond to each of these modules, and you'll have access to real equipment that you can work through these labs with. Along with the course, you'll get course books to follow along with, as well as a lab guide that contains solutions. This is another one of my favorite courses, and I know you're going to love it too. I look forward to seeing you in an upcoming Global Config course, so please feel free to connect with us on Twitter, on Facebook, and on our website for technical articles, for study tips, and of course, course schedule information.